Anything to say?
Are you excited about returning home?
I'd say at the end of the day, the Crown was always concerned about these men attending court to be dealt with according to law. And by the conclusion of this hearing, the court has put together a bail plan that is far more restrictive and specific than what was originally proposed. And at the end of the day, if the court is satisfied that will bring these men back to court, then the Crown is equally satisfied. You know, without talking about the specifics of the evidence in the hearing, I think it's fair to say that we have more assurance from the British Navy that these men will not be deployed for a set period of time. And that was our primary concern throughout this hearing. So we're certainly, we have a much tighter plan in place at this point. It's hard to predict what would happen if these men didn't show up next April. It would depend on where they are, what the Crown's remedies would be. Of course, the extradition concern was if they leave the United Kingdom, we have a whole different extradition situation on our hands. But I think what we have here today is a fairly tight plan, so I'm optimistic that they will return to court. I think the unique situation that could shape up here is if these men had ever been deployed, jurisdiction would have been a very difficult issue to resolve. So as long as they remain in the United Kingdom, Canada has a good relationship with the United Kingdom, and to this point we've received cooperation, so there's nothing to lead us to conclude that that wouldn't continue.